It's common to want to add a number to a variable like this. See, a equals a plus 12. Well, a starts at 3 plus 12 is 15. So we're just adding 12 to whatever a is. Here we're adding 9 to whatever b is. Here we're adding 7 to whatever c is. This is such a common pattern that there's a shortcut to do the same thing. It's the plus equals operator. So instead of a equals a plus 12, we can do a plus equals 12. So this equals the same thing. So instead of b equals 9 plus b, we can do b plus equals 9. So now we're adding the value to the variable and assigning the answer to that variable. So again, here we can do plus equal 7. So that's just a shortcut. Previously, we learned about plus equals. Well, minus equals does the same thing, but subtracting. So this says a equals a minus 6. We started at 11. Minus 6 is going to be 5. So the new a is going to be 5. But we can shorten that. Instead of a equals a minus 6, we can do minus equals. This is just a shortcut that JavaScript has that means the same thing. That means a equals a minus 6, but it's just shortened. Same here, so we can do minus equals 15. C equals c minus 1. We can do c minus equals 1. So it just subtracts the number from the original value and then assigns that new value to the variable. Here we have a equals a times 5. Well, we can do the same thing as before. We can shorten this to a times equals 5. So that means the same thing. Here we can do a times equals 3. And then c equals c times 10. We can shorten this to c times equal 10. And that's another shortcut for JavaScript. And there's also divide equal. So a equals a divided by 12. We can do a divided by equal 12. And then here we can just do divided by equal 4 or divided by equal 11. So another way of just dividing the variable by a new number and assigning that answer to the variable.